Hi guys, happy new year. I'm back with another recipe. I want to share it with you. It's quick and easy, so let's get into it. So I started this recipe off with some sesame oil in a heated pan and then added in my diced chicken thighs, which I seasoned the night before, all my favorite seasonings and some chopped up onions. I cooked that through for about 10 to 12 minutes and then removed them from the pan. After that, I put in the prawns, which I just seasoned with some Old Bay and black pepper. Cooked that for about 7 minutes and did the same, removed them from the pan to set aside. After that, I put my broccoli and my carrots straight into the pan and then just let that absorb the flavors from the chicken and the prawns. I then went in with some sliced onions as well and just let all the vegetables become tender before adding in the sauce. For the sauce, I use soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sugar, ginger, garlic and some cayenne pepper, and I just let that simmer down before adding back in my prawns and chicken. So after about, let's say 3 to 5 minutes on a low medium heat, it began to simmer and I added in my prawns and chicken and combined that so the sauce would coat the prawns and the chicken evenly for equal flavors, I guess. I did a little taste test for salt, spice, all of that. It wasn't spicy enough for me, so I went in with some more cayenne pepper. Of course, you can make this however you want to, but I wanted it spicy, so I added that extra cayenne. Even adding that, it still wasn't that spicy, so I chopped up a habanero pepper and put that in there, and literally that's it. It's done. I plated it up with some white jasmine rice and it was absolutely delicious. I hope you try and I hope you love this recipe. Bye guys.